Shurobhito antiseptic Boroline cream. Well, this is a jingle that every Bengali remembers by heart. Boroline antiseptic cream ki history is seeped in Swadeshi movement and Bengali nostalgia. India ki first antiseptic cream was started in 1929 by Gourmohan Dutta in Kolkata. उन्होंने GD Pharmaceuticals start करा as a part of anti-British movement. In fact, World War II के अंदर the container had to be changed because of the scarcity of resources. To dispel any kind of doubts in customers' mind, the container actually said that the quantity and the quality of Boroline remains intact. It's only the container that has changed. On 15th August 1947, two Calcutta newspapers carried out advertisement that 1 lakh Borolines will be distributed for free. Every Bengali has grown up using Boroline on chapped lips, cracked heels, burns, itches, any kind of bruises. It has been a trusted member for the past 90 years in each Indian household. If you have stories related to Boroline, then share it in the comment section.